Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am sharing with you some updates that we are doing in our home here in our family room. If you are interested in seeing what we have done so far, just keep on watching. Yes, we have been doing some updates here in the family room, and first I will share with you a beautiful ceiling fan. So here's the picture of my fan that I had up, the before. I've had this fan for, I would say, about 10 years or so. It still works, but it vibrates a lot, and you can only run it on the lowest setting. So it was time to replace it. So my hubby is unboxing this fan, getting ready to install it. Everything that you would need to install is in the box, and it is very easy to assemble. It took less than 30 minutes for my hubby to install this beautiful ceiling fan. Here's the motor of the ceiling fan. It is in a silver tone. So my hubby is placing the brackets on the blades. The blades are two-tone, so you do have a choice. You can have a wood look, a bleachy wood look, or a silver tone. This is a 5-blade ceiling fan. Isn't that beautiful? So now hubby is getting ready to place the blades on the motor. And he's also placing the covers as well as the down rod on the ceiling fan. Look at this chrome look on this motor. Now he is attaching all of the blades to the ceiling fan. And voila, it works. Now the ceiling fan also comes with a beautiful light fixture. This is what makes this ceiling fan. Look at this fixture. So pretty. Put you in the mind of a chandelier. So now he is attaching the light fixture to the ceiling fan. And this ceiling fan comes with the bling, all of the little crystals, and that's what he's doing here, hanging all of the crystals on the light fixture. This ceiling fan, the light fixture takes a E12 bulb, takes 4 of them, and let there be light, and there was light. Isn't this beautiful? So pretty. Now, information about Costway. This ceiling fan will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family members. This ceiling fan is absolutely stunning. Now, the second thing that we've updated is our furniture, our seating. Back in January, we decided to give my oldest son, we knew he was in search of a place. He wanted to purchase a home, so we told him we would gift him our family room furniture. So we were looking around, and we went in ZGallerie, and my hubby fell in love with the set that we have here right now. So this is his choice. We placed the order back in January, and 2 weeks ago we received our new furniture. This piece is called the Ventura. It is the 3-piece. They do sell it in the 2-piece, and we absolutely love it. So right now I'm going to share with you this beautiful sectional from ZGallerie. So here is this sectional. It is in 3 pieces. The piece right here is deep, very deep. This whole side here, very comfortable. I think that's what sold my hubby on that. And then this side here, it sits like a regular sofa. It comes with 9 pillows for your back and 2 for your arm rest. It's a very beautiful and comfortable sectional. This is considered custom through ZGallerie because you get to select the color of your choice. I also love the base of it and the metal look. Very, very pretty. It has a modern touch to it. So right now I'm going to add a few touches here in my family room. I'm going to do a little decorating. Also, the third thing I'm going to add, I'm going to change out these lamps to some Uttermost lamps that I picked up from Home Goods. If you've been following me, I shared those in a haul. I'll iCard that haul up above just in case you are interested in watching. So I'm going to start decorating and then I'll come back to you at the end. I hope you are inspired by what you see and blessed. So are you ready for the reveal? Well, here it is. My family room for summer 2022. Colors are navy, gold, turquoise, off-white with touches of silver. So I will take you in for a closer look. Again, starting with this beautiful ceiling fan from Costway. It is just stunning. Has a touch of bling that you know your girl loves. It's not overly blingy, and I love that too. It's in a silver tone. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna go here to the sofa sectional from ZGallerie with all of my pillows arranged on it. How pretty, how pretty. Very pretty. And you all know I'm gonna make my way to ZGallerie, and I'm gonna pick up me a few ZGallerie pillows, catching them on sale, of course. I'm gonna work a sale, but I'm loving all these colors together. I am not afraid of color. All right, not afraid of color. All of these pillow covers that you see are from Amazon, and I'll have them linked in my description box down below. I'm going to take you over here to one of my credenzas here in the space. This artwork is a thrift find that I found a couple of years ago, but the artwork actually came from Hobby Lobby. These vases were a recent purchase from Home Goods. The decorative plate is also a thrift find. The box, the decorative box, came from Ross. And the uttermost lamp, this is one of two, came from Home Goods. The credenza itself came from Amazon. The artwork on the wall, I get many questions about that artwork. It came from Marshall's, but it came in the gold tone, and I spray painted it silver. Now, I did not touch my fireplace. It basically stays this way pretty much year round. The only thing I change out during the year are the candle holders on each side, but I did not change them this time. If you've been following me, you know that hubby and we built this fireplace wall ourselves, and we are so proud of ourselves being able to accomplish this home improvement project. The brick came from Floor and Decor, the mantle and the fireplace insert, Amazon. This coffee table was a thrift find thanks to one of my YouTube sisters. Thank you, Martha. She actually called me and told me that this table was in my area. She wanted it but could not transport it back, but she knew I would love it, so she wanted somebody to love this table just as much as she did, and I purchased it. So thanks again, Martha. These jars I recently hauled from Bell's Outlet. They were silver, and I spray painted them gold and left the silver top to them, as well as the base on the vases. Very, very pretty. I have a candle, a Better Homes and Gardens candle there. Some glass beads from Hobby Lobby. The tray that all of that decor is sitting on, I think was a Home Goods find years ago. These decorative boxes here was in my recent haul. They came from Home Goods. These beautiful coasters, Home Goods, and the little tray that is holding the coasters. I think I picked that up from Home Goods or Ross. Now I'm going to tweak this space a bit. I am in search of a rug, so I am looking for a new rug. I want something neutral, and I'm going to probably change my panels. But other than that, on this side, it's pretty much done. There is another side to this family room, and once I get all of the materials and things that I need, I will reveal the other side of this space. So we have accomplished the updates in my family room. I'm super excited. I have a whole nother half to go. So stay tuned for that. I would like to thank Costway for the beautiful ceiling fan, bling bling. I will have their link and information in my description box down below, as well as a coupon or discount code for all of my blesties. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.